Join 10 mm 45 strips. Complete it until end. Here I am using only A4 size papers. Here I am making skirt for Bharatmata idol. Now make a deep dome. Make as shown in the video. Now apply glue inside the dome. Now take a 5 mm strip and paste in the middle. It will be the beads for saree. Now attach some more. Complete it. Now the beads are ready. Now join 5 mm 20 strips and make a deep dome. And apply glue inside the dome. Now add acrylic skin color. If you have skin color, you can directly use it. Now join 5 mm 21 strips and make a tight coil. Make a deep dome. Apply glue inside the dome. Now connect to the body. Now connect the another dome. Now take a flag color border and paste border to the saree. Now join 5 mm 1/4 of strip. Here I am making neck for Bharatmata. Now connect it. Now join 5 mm 2 strips. Here I am making hands. Apply glue. Now make a cone shape. Apply glue inside the cone. Now connect the flag border to the blouse, make 2 and connect to the base body. Now take a chunni and attach to the base body. Now the saree is ready. Now join 5 mm 10 strips. Here I am making face of Bharat Mata. Make 2. Make a deep dome. Make as shown in the video. Apply glue inside the dome. Make 2 ears and make a nose. Now connect the 2 domes. Now connect the ears and connect the nose. Now make a hair. Now paint the face. Now paint the eyes. Now take a quilling tool and take a black strip and rotate it as shown in the video. Make some more and take a 10 mm strip. Apply glue and attach it. Repeat the procedure until end. Now fold it. Now attach face to the base body. Now attach hair. It will be the long hair for Bharat Mata. Now join 5 mm 1.5 strip and make a cone shape. Apply glue inside the cones. Make total 2 hands. Now paint it. Now connect the hands to the base body. Now add some jewelry to the Bharat Mata. Now add jewelry. Now join 3 mm 1 strip. Here I am making palm. Make 2. Connect to the hands. Now take a flag. Here I attach it to the toothpick. Now connect flag to the hand. Now the Bharatmata idol is ready. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.